Welcome to the world of After Effects. Let's start by learning how to import media. The fundamental first step in any project. The first 10 most direct method is through the menu Open After Effects and navigate to the File menu located at the top. Click File. Then select Import. This opens further chooses file for a single media item or multiple files for bringing in more simultaneously. Selecting File opens your computer's File Explorer. Browse to your media, which can be images, videos, or audio. Select them and then click Open. Your imported files now appear in the Project panel, the central repository for all project assets. Another quick way is drag and drop. Simply find your media outside After Effects, like in your File Explorer, and drag it directly into the project panel. For a quicker approach, use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I on Windows or CMB on Mac. This will immediately open the File Explorer for you. You've successfully imported the files, providing all the assets needed for your project. Time to start creating.